usually I don't practice my shit. I begin to talk like that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I would get up in the morning and first thing is do some sit up. No, not sit up because I do sit ups now and why now and then. But I do my dance moves in the hallway. The hallway is about maybe 500 meters, shit like that. The half of a meter, the half of 1,000 meters. You know what I'm saying? And then we had a mini gym out here. I go mini gym. We out here. And then I go there and do my shit, either step on the treadmill or the stationary bicycle, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? So there ain't nothing to do. See, I'm the type of person who likes to move and shit, you know what I'm saying? If I'm not moving, and exhaling or inhaling oxygen, especially exhaling carbon dioxide and inhaling oxygen, so my brain kind of stuck, you know what I'm saying? And consequently, I'm not happy at all, you know what I'm saying? So I do this shit. Right now, I'm sitting down outdoor outside of the building, you know what I'm saying? Shoot some basketball and jogging, you know what I'm saying? Uh, I think the entire area is about maybe 500 square feet. I mean 500 square feet. 1,000 square feet. No, 500 square meters. No, 500 square kilometers. No, square, you call that square kilometer, it doesn't matter. It's not large at all. Square kilometer means, you go one side 1 kilometer, and you go actually 4 directions, 1 kilometer in the other direction, 1 kilometer, right? So I think about 500 one way and 500 another way, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then, yeah. So I come here and get some fresh air, you know what I'm saying? Cause you need some fresh air, you know what I'm saying? You would be in jail and shit, you know what I'm saying? And it's good that I have my laptop with me now, you know what I'm saying? Then before you know, they will be gone already, you know what I'm saying? Breakfast starts about 8:30. Well, actually 8 o'clock in the morning, and then on and on and on and on and on until 11:30, where we have our lunch and shit. And then you have a whole goddamn I think 4 hours or 5 hours and shit before our dinner time, you know what I'm saying? But I usually order like a pizza in between because I went to cook school. So going to cook school, we learn that at least, a normal individual who living a normal life should eat about 24 times a day, you know what I'm saying? Not no big meal or anything like that, just a little snacks in between and shit. Chips and chocolate and water, and fruit and all that shit, and vegetable if you can, right? So we eat like 3 times a day, and what do we eat after that? So they have snacks out here too, but you know what I'm saying? They can be tough. See, when I spit like that, when I talk, I'm actually releasing the carbon dioxide, the bad air that's sitting in my brain, you know what I'm saying? When I spit like that, it's a slippery saliva that I spit out on the damn. You know what I'm saying? It get worse when I'm on the street and talking fucking loud at the guy, you know what I'm saying? I spit a whole lot during the night sleeping, you know what I'm saying? But that's what I'm saying. Consequently, I get happier, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah. Well, it's kind of a release to be out here, cause whenever I'm on the street in Copenhagen, god damn it, I'm constantly fucking harassed by the police, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter where I am. Literally in the forest, the police, motherfucker call the police and saying this nigga is either lying here or just drinking his wine and shit, you know what I'm saying? Where it's a release for me, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm going back into the city, you know what I'm saying? So maybe in a week or something like that. Finger crossed, right. Yeah. Like I predicted from Nairobi, Kenya, man, I can't make Jesus Christ and fucking live in Denmark in a fucking closed fucking society, you know what I'm saying? It's a form of kind of shit. You can't do shit. But Jesus Christ is not normal at all. I'm not fucking normal at all, you know what I'm saying? So when I'm doing my shit, doesn't matter what I'm doing, I'm a fucking liberated motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Fear is a snare fucking of the devil, and the entire European motherfuckers are fearful like a motherfucker. They cannot do anything different than what I used to. Hell no. And then when I begin to do something different, it's like, oh, you have a psychiatric problem. I don't have no fucking psychiatric problem. You know what I'm saying? You the motherfuckers that are all gay and fucking transsexual, fucking come out of the goddamn mind and being transsexual and homosexual. Homosexuality is a fucking curse, goddamn it. You know what I'm saying? But then when I drill like a hermaphrodite, as a hermaphrodite, you know, and wear all my female clothing and shit, so well, this is not normal. So look at you, dumb ass fucking motherfucker. I can't touch to the world right. See, that's a bad ad. I'm putting out, when I talk, I release all that bad ad that's stuck fucking in me, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm usually not a tucker. My mom was not a tucker. She passed away now. I inherited from her, you know what I'm saying? I began my tucking after Jesus Christ of Nazareth touched me in my dream at the age of 22 years old, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a tucker at all. So what I'm saying, when God touched you, fucking you're not the same anymore, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. What it is. So I predicted in Nairobi, Kenya, you know what I'm saying? Jesus Christ, I cannot fucking live in Denmark. Hell no. Otherwise, I will be in detention all the goddamn time. Cause I'm fucking filled with the Holy Spirit. Jesus Christ is filled fucking with the Holy Spirit. He ain't like a normal, ordinary motherfucker who I ain't got no shit in the life whatsoever. Right. Yeah. I make sure my fingers do not block the loudspeaker. Cause I'm a loudspeaker or the microphone, whatever on on my phone and shit. Sometimes my fingers have the tendency of blocking and shit. And then, when I'm recording, actually trying to view myself, you know what I'm saying, I cannot hear myself clearly, you know what I'm saying? So I make sure there's a lot of shit that I have to, watch for and record on myself, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So now, what does it say? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I've got my tennis shoe that I ordered from eBay like that, right? Like that, right? I come here to enjoy it. And I ordered a steel toe and a soft toe, Timberland. I'm saying what happened was I tried to order the steel toe at first, but then for some reason the payment did not go through, and then I began to order again. You know what I'm saying this time it was a soft toe, and boom! Before I look, I have ordered 2 goddamn Timberlands. I said, what the fuck? And however, you know what I'm saying, I have those now, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna wear the soft toe because the soft toe is more conducive outdoor, indoor, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna save the steel toe sooner or later, cause it's still fucking goddamn cold and damn. Can you imagine it? We are in fucking May and it's like -1, -2, degree already. It's Fahrenheit, centigrade. They use centigrade in Europe. Yeah, there are a lot of beautiful girls on the wall right here. I don't know who am I getting along with, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like I'm saying, I don't, put my eggs in a box, in one box. I try to explore my opportunity. My option, you know what I'm saying? Cause I'm fucking looking for my first lady. The 2 African girls that I have on my step niece and a beautiful light-skinned girl and a Grace girl I haven't met at all. I met Grace on Facebook. Actually, she's one of my friends on Facebook, right? Beautiful girl, past to be fucking the president's wife. She had the exact height that I want. She had boobs and butt and all that shit, you know what I'm saying? She dressing nice and shit. I said, damn, this girl, you know what I'm saying? What else can I want from a first lady? I think I'm gonna pause the video right now because it's getting out of hand. Usually when it gets so long, I get tired of fucking watching my goddamn self. Right.